bye. Put your sunglasses on your face, run and jump from place to place. Feel the sunshine on your skin, let the summer fun begin.